Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic. Today is Vlogmas Day 17. Hey guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for coming. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. If you are returning, welcome back, Magic Superstars. All right, today we're just going to have a chill, lazy day at the house. We're going to cook some chicken wings, hot wings, and barbecue wings in the air fryer and make some tater tots. What my family loves. So let's get started. Meet me in the kitchen. All right, guys, so we have split all of our wings and we have washed and cleaned them. And now we are going to season them up. Guys, this is my pre-made seasoning mix that I use for my chicken. This is poultry seasoning, garlic powder, cayenne powder, pepper, salt, and I want to say, see, I just be mixing everything but the kitchen sink. I said cayenne powder, garlic powder, poultry seasoning, and salt. Oh, paprika. You can use smoked paprika. I think I said that. Chili powder. And that's about it. And I mix it all up. I always mix my seasoning together before because I like all of my seasonings to be evenly distributed throughout the chicken. All right, so we have our chicken right here. So what I do is just lay it out. Okay, so now all your chicken is laid out, split. I'm going to spray it with the butter. Okay, I got my spray. My cooking oil spray. So we're going to spray each side. We're going to turn each one over. Okay, so once you turn them over, you're going to spray the other side. Now you're going to apply your seasoning. Just use a little spoon and sprinkle it all over the chicken. Don't be afraid to sprinkle. You never can use too much. And if you run out of seasoning, mix some more up. And next time you'll know better, make more. Okay, once you have seasoned one side, turn them over and season the other side. Alright, and so let's season the other side. If you hear my husband talking in the background, he is playing his PlayStation. If you hear my husband, my son laughing, you hear him playing his game. Alright, so we're going to let this seasoning set on here for about 10-15 minutes. While we're doing that, we are going to warm up our air fryer. Okay, so now we are going to warm up the air fryer. We are going to put it on chicken. We're going to put it on 380 and then we're going to put it on maybe 29 minutes. So we can let the air fryer warm up about 3 minutes before we put our chicken in. Our first batch. This is probably going to be done in about 3 batches because I got a lot of chicken wings here. So let's start it and then we're going to warm it up. Now how to go back to 29? I don't know. 380. And we're going to put it on 28 minutes. Alright, so we will put the chicken in when it gets to 24. Alright, so we're going to add our chicken wings to the air fryer. I don't know how many pieces we're going to put in here. Maybe about 6 or 7. Like I said, we're going to have to do this in 3 batches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know, we get about 8. And we're going to cook that for 22 minutes. And 380. Alright guys, so we are going to be halfway through. We are going to turn our chicken over. This is how it looks when it's halfway done. Shake it up and turn the pieces over. Okay, so we're going to put them back in for the remainder time. 8 more minutes, they should be done, but we'll check those with the thermometer when the 8 minutes is done. Alright guys, so the chicken is done. We are going to check the temperature on the first batch to make sure that it is actually done. Should be at 165. Let's see. Yep, we're good. We're probably at about, we're more than 165. Out there. We're about, can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that. It's going to start rising back up. No, you can't see that. But anyway, it's done. Let's go ahead and take out this first batch. I'll show you how good it looks before we put the hot wing sauce on there. We're going to do some barbecue and some hot wings. Don't those look delicious? Alright. Well, that is the first batch. Now we're going to continue on with our second and third batch. It's already hot, so. Same thing, temperature at 380 degrees for 22 minutes. Cancel that, put it back on chicken at 22, but we're going to do maybe 24, and then we're going to do 380. All right, let's start that back up. Okay, now we're going to take our chicken and just put it in the oven to stay warm at 170 degrees. You see, we got our stove on 70, and now we're going to just put it in the oven. All right, so we're going to keep those warm in the oven. 170 while we wait on the rest of the chicken to cook. Alright guys, so we have cooked all of our wings. We are going to take our red hot wings from Frank's Red Hot Wings, and we're going to pour it in our sauce, and we are going to make us some hot wings. So let's do that. Shake it up, shake it up. Alright, so we're going to pour it in. Maybe like a fourth of the bottle. You don't have to do the whole bottle. Okay, so we're going to take our hot wings out the oven. Let's grab a thingy. Take it out the oven. All right, close it up. So now we are going to take some wings and coat them up. We're going to take some wings and coat them up with the hot sauce for our buffalo wings, baby. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to turn this off. Stop. Ooh, where is it at? I don't know why I'm tripping. We want to broil now. So now we're going to broil because we're going to put a little crust on these wings. Go ahead and turn these wings on. There you go. There we go. Nice and hot. I like half of them, not all. Some of them are going to do barbecue sauce. We're going to coat them real good, warm up this sauce. Get them nice and coated. So we're going to get them nice and coated, and then we're going to broil them. Okay guys, so that's cool. We're going to put them on the tray so we can broil them. And then the next ones we are going just to put some barbecue. We're going to put some barbecue sauce on those. Okay, so the barbecue sauce, we're just going to pour the barbecue sauce on and marinate it a little bit. So let's do that. Barbecue sauce on them. Turn them over, put some more barbecue sauce on them. And we just gonna like just put our little brush on them. Brush it a little bit. And now we're going to broil these for like 30 seconds to a minute. Alright, we're going to take the wings and we're going to broil them for a minute. This way. Alright, so we have air fried some tater tots that are ready to go. That's what we're gonna do with our dinner. With the chicken wings, honey. And some good taters. Nice and crispy and air fried. And we're gonna pull those wings out in just a minute. Alright, so let's pull these wings out the broiler. Ooh-wee, look at that. Don't they look fabulous? Barbecue and hot wings. Yum, yum. Alright guys, so we're going to do half hot sauce, half the hot buffalo wings, and then we're going to do half barbecue. Here we go. Go with our half hot wings and our half barbecue, and then we got our ranch sauce on the side for dipping, and we are good to go. All right guys, thanks for watching. I truly hope to see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.